Wolfman. All down the streets of town, beneath the full moon shining, there walks our hero in his fancy shoes, tipping his fedora to all the pretty women. Now, which one will he choose? In a rambling 12-room house out in the suburbs, on a dead-end street where the woods begin, only his daughter misses him tonight. Daddy's gone again. And in the full moon the dogs begin to howl. Wolfman is on the prowl. You can see him out in the bars almost every weekend, at a table for two with some lovely woman so fine, the prince of seduction with all his oily charm. He plies her with sweet talk and wine. All the women know him well. They all know he's married. But there's always one that seems to fall under his spell. Promised a night of passion she will long remember, and sure enough she'll remember all too well. And in the full moon the dogs begin to howl. Wolfman is on the prowl.